But I'm still flying with a loss of faith, and I'm still trying. Got stereotype radios turn me down cause I won't turn up on the mic. I'd rather rap about my life and give advice to someone who's about to give up on life that's real. Man, fuck how you feel, independent cause I don't need a deal. Picked up the mic and I put down the pills. Picked up the vibes, I don't care how I feel. Remember my grandpa passed away and it killed my dad. I saw life is in promise, so I made a promise that I'll pursue my dreams no matter how they feel. They said that I can't, took out the T and to a T I killed it. Made sacrifices, always working OT. When they callin', I was feeling all eyes on me when I decide to step in the building. Fuck that radio music you listen to, I spit that real shit. In high school I was unpopular, never fit in with the cool kids. They were busy partying and making a bunch of excuses. I stood home building my craft, I had a dream I'm pursuing. It's hard to have these hopes and dreams, especially when I got relate to me. You don't have to have hate for me. You don't have words to say to me. You don't even have to pray for me, do you? Cause I'll do me until the day that I'm through. Remember back then, backstabbing friends told me to not to. Remember they said that if you need me, then I got you. When I needed you, most you were ghosts, and you left me feeling empty. And then I lost hope. You want me to fight, how can I cope? Slowly realizing my friends come and go, finding myself at the end of the road. I'm dying inside, but live like I won't. The top is getting closer, or those beneath me are getting farther. Every day I'm growing older. I see that I'm not a part of society. They're eyeing me, dying for me to fall apart. Cause I have a chance and they miss theirs, cause I'm working harder. I was a part of the kids at school asking why don't they like us. It's like we don't exist, we're there, but they do not mind us. I'm a little mental, it's okay to dream while you are mindfucked. Spreading both of my wings, I wanna fly, but